Have you ever heard two English words that sound exactly the same but have completely different meanings? If yes, then don't worry because today I am going to teach you a very interesting English topic that we hear almost every day but many people don't know what it is called. Yes, these words are called homophones. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Educational Hub. Today's topic is homophones. What are homophones? Okay, so we will learn today about the homophones. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation but different meanings and different spellings, right? But in simple words, they sounds the same, but they are different. They sounds the same, but they are different words. Now, why should we learn homophones? Why should we learn homophones? Homophones homophones help us in speak English correctly, and we should learn homophones which helps write without mistakes, understand conversations better, right, and improve our vocabulary. So we should learn homophones. Now it's time to look at some common homophones. I'll explain the meaning of each word with a simple example. Flour, the fine powder of wheat and flour. I and I, a person pointing to himself. Male means letter and male means boy. Sea means ocean and sea means to look at something with your eyes. Sun means the bright star at the center of our solar system, and sun means boy. Buy, to purchase something, and buy, waving hand. Pair means two things that are used together. Pear means fruit. Peace means calm, and piece a part or portion of something. Week, 7 days of a month. Weak, not strong. Meat, to come together, and meat means the flesh of an animal used as food. Whole means complete, and whole an opening or empty space. Brake, a device to stop a vehicle, and break means to separate into pieces. Blue, the color, and blue means the past tense of blow moved by wind or air. Bored, a flat piece of wood, and bored means feeling tired because nothing is interesting. Sell means a prison room. Sell, to give something in exchange for money. New means not old, and new, past tense of know, means had knowledge of something. Plain, simple or ordinary, and plane means an aircraft that flies in the sky. Tail, the back part of an animal, and tail means a story. Waste, the middle part of the body, and waste means unwanted material. Weather, the condition of the atmosphere, weather, used to show a choice between two possibilities. Which means used to ask about a choice, and which, a woman with magical powers. Ring means a circular piece of jewelry. Ring, to twist something tightly to remove water. Root, the underground part of a plant, and root, a path or way from one place to another. Steel, a strong metal, and steel means to take something without permission. There, belonging to them, and there, a place or location. Principal, the head of a school, and principle means rules. Allowed, given permission, and allowed means a loud voice. Scent, a unit of money. Scent means a smell or fragrance. Night, a soldier in old times. Night means the time when it is dark. Sail means the cloth on a boat. Sail means the sailing of goods. No means to have knowledge. No, to refuse. Rain means water that falls from the clouds. Rain means the period when a king or queen rules. Road, a path for travel. Road, past tense of ride. Deer, used in a greetings, and deer are wild animals with long legs. Eat, the past tense of eat. Eight, the number. Soar means fly high. Sore, painful or hurting. Write, to put words on paper. Write means correct. Hair, the strands on your head. Hair means a wild rabbit with long ears. Today we learned what are homophones, why they are important, and several common homophones with easy examples. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.